Mirror functionality just got upsized with the Dual Glow Magnifying Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, assembled in South Africa and available at Italtile. This 2-in-1 rectangular masterpiece offers a crystal clear mirror with an inset 5x magnifying mirror, in effect a one-stop dressing mirror and cosmetic magnifying mirror for the price of one. Thanks to cool glow LED lights, visibility is optimized, while the backlit 5x magnifier provides the focus needed for up-close, detailed skincare, tweezing, contact lens application, and professional-level makeup application, without being hampered by the heat of a traditional incandescent lights. Other important features of the Dual Glow Magnifying Mirror include top-quality imported Pilkington Optimirror glass for durability and crystal clear clarity, as well as intuitive LED functionality with a handwave sensor. The innovative Dual Glow Magnifying Mirror is a shining example of Italtile's beauty with a purpose approach to contemporary home style and is a welcome addition to the ever-growing collection of beautiful and functional Affirmations mirrors, both in store and online.